In the last section, I give you a quick introduction to Cyanic Job Book. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your office and talk a little bit about how offices are used overall in the job book system. Every company needs at least one office and job book. Every job is associated with an office. A lot of companies only have one office, but some companies run multiple offices, or have one office but run multiple business units out of an office for tracking purposes. Either way, every company needs at least one office and job book. So let me show you how to do that. What you are looking at now is the job book dashboard. You see the dashboard after you log into the system. When you first get the job book system, you will be given a blank system. As an administrator, it's your job to set up job book. The first thing you should do is set up job book with an office. To do that, click on the navigate button at the top left. Then click on administration. Then click on offices. I've gone ahead and created a head office in the system. If you click on the office, you will see the name of the office and the address of the office. The edit button will edit the office, and the back button will take you back to the main office screen. You can create as many offices in job book as you like. Let's create another office in job book. Now fill in the name of your office. Let's call it subdivision. Customers do not see the name of your office in job book. Only users of job book see them. Now let's give it the same address as the head office from before. Once completed, hit save. And that's how you can create offices in job book. Every time you create a job in job book, you need to select what office that job will be run out of. The drop-down is populated by the offices you created. If you're interested in job creation, hop on over to our How to Use Job Book series, or look for a link to the video in the description below. The office is displayed throughout the backlog reports and maps in job book. Again, see our How to Use Job Book series for more information on those reports. You might be wondering where the address is used for offices in job book. Those are used when generating invoices in job book. Let's look at an example invoice. Here is an example of an invoice generated by the system. When an invoice is generated, the address of the office will be shown on the invoice under the logo of your company. That is all there is for offices. In the next video, I'm going to talk to you about what line items are in job book. And in upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how to set up the various types of line items in job book. Hope you enjoy.